Meaning of grapple.
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 Grapple. The verb grapple has a few different meanings, but generally refers to struggling or wrestling with something in order to gain control of it. It can be used both literally and metaphorically, such as grappling with a physical object or grappling with a difficult concept or problem. The result of grappling can vary depending on the context, but often involves an intense, ongoing effort to overcome or understand something. In essence, to grapple is to engage with something in a determined and persistent way, often with the goal of mastery or resolution.